Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store download error with the error code 0x803FB005, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is a WS reset. What does this command do? It means Windows Store reset. It clears the cache of the Microsoft Store and resets the settings. So press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window and type the command WS reset and hit enter. Once you do this, it will reset the Microsoft Store and reopen it. The next solution will be to re-register the Microsoft Store, and we have a command for you, and all you need to do is copy this command, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, and paste this command here and hit enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store. Okay, so what does it mean by re-registering the Microsoft Store? It is similar to reinstalling the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.